Welcome to our Excel Masterclass. In the last video, we have seen how to use AND function. Today, we will diving into one of the most powerful logical function in Excel, the OR function. Let's jump right in and unleash the power of OR function. We have divided this video in multiple segments. Segment 1, understanding of OR function. What is the OR function? Simply, the OR function allows you to test multiple conditions at once. If at least one of these conditions is true, the OR function will return true. Otherwise, return false. Now let's check the syntax of OR function. OR, logical 1, logical 2, and so on. You can add as many conditions as you like. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you are a teacher and you need to determine if a student passes a course. To pass, a student must either score at least 70 in the final exam or submit all assignments. So let's check with the OR function. Let's try OR function in D11 is equal to OR. Now you can see the OR function syntax is visible. Here we have two logical statements. Our first logic is the final exam score should be greater than or equal to 70. And second logic is the assignment submitted should be completed. So make sure that the completed should be in double inverted comma. Otherwise we will get some errors. And there you have it. Ready to take your Excel skills to the next level? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.